In response to Pakistan's growing climate crisis, SAWiE, in strategic partnership with Bank Alfalah, has launched a bold and transformative initiative, Climate Smart Village Initiative. We have jointly pioneered 3 climate smart villages across major cropping systems in Pakistan. Rice wheat in Faisalabad, maize potato in Bihari, cotton wheat in Layyah. These CSVs serve as live demonstration hubs for regenerative practices, digital tools, and green finance integration. Since January 2025, the CSV initiative has directly engaged 200 farmers, building capacity for sustainable production and improved market access. Now, we are bringing this innovation to life. On 4th August, join us in Layyah, Punjab, for a climate-smart agriculture training and innovation showcase. This event is designed to empower farmers with practical knowledge and hands-on experience. Farmers will learn crop diversification, raised bed planting, composting, and integrating livestock to rebuild soil health naturally. Water-smart farming techniques like drip and sprinkler irrigation, mulching, and soil moisture conservation will help save water while boosting cotton yields. Eco-friendly integrated pest management, featuring pheromone and sticky traps, pollinator crops, and reduced pesticide use to keep both crops and the environment safe. Digital advisory through SAWiE's smart platform, farmers receive real-time advice tailored to their fields, weather and crop conditions. Green Finance Bank Alfalah offers digital agri credit, insurance, and sustainability lending through their cluster-based model to help farmers invest in their future. With experts from top institutions and real-world tools in hand, this event will help farmers build resilience, improve productivity, and take the lead in climate-smart agriculture. Come and witness how climate-smart solutions are transforming Pakistan's agriculture, village by village.